Hey everyone, this is going to be a short tutorial on how to create a template for your nail wraps. So first thing you want to do is prep your nails. And by that I mean you're going to want to soak your nails or your fingers for 5 to 10 minutes to soften the cuticles. And then you're going to either clip them or push them back, whichever you choose. Next you're going to gather your supplies. You're going to want a piece of cardstock, a pen, some scotch tape, and a pair of scissors. So I've already gone ahead and started so that you're not sitting here through the entire process. You're going to take a piece of tape and put it over your nail, making sure that it covers all sides and your cuticle. And I like to press in with my fingernail just to make sure that the tape is adhered to my fingernail. Then you're going to take your pen and draw a line around your cuticle and sides of your nail. Just like that. Take the piece of tape off and stick it to your cardstock. Now I went ahead and labeled my cardstock with the corresponding fingers. So LT would be left thumb, LI left index, RT, or this way, RT would be right thumb, and so on. So let me do the scotch tape portion for you one more time. Pressing into the cuticle and sides. Take your pen, draw that line. Remove the tape and stick it to your cardstock. Once you've completed those steps, take your scissors and chop this down to make it a little bit easier to manage. You're going to cut along those lines. And I'm going to cut mine in the outline of a wrap set, or something similar. And I'll stop right there. You get the idea. Once you have your template completed, you can take your nail wrap and now you can use your template to size which strip fits your nail. You can also take that template to trim your nail wraps. This will create a seamless edge on your fingernail. Since everybody's cuticle lines are different, not all strips are going to fit all people. That's it. Thanks for watching.